In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage search privacy inside the PayPal app. If you want more control over how other people can find you on PayPal, this is a useful setting to know. Search privacy helps you decide whether people are able to locate your account using details like your name, phone number, or email address. Adjusting this setting can give you a little more privacy or make it easier for trusted people to find you when they need to send you money. To get started, open the PayPal app and look for the gear icon, which is the settings button. Tap that gear icon to open your account settings. This is where PayPal keeps many of the controls related to your account, preferences, and privacy, so it's the right place to begin. Once you're in settings, find and tap data and privacy. This section contains options related to how your information is used and how visible certain parts of your account may be. If you're reviewing your account privacy settings, this area is worth exploring carefully since it gives you access to important controls. From there, tap Search Privacy. This is the specific setting that manages how other users can discover your profile in PayPal searches. When you open it, you'll see the available visibility options tied to your account details. Now, you can choose whether to turn on the option for by name or by phone and email if you want to allow those methods. Toggling this on means people may be able to find you using those details. If convenience is your priority, this can make receiving payments simpler because others can locate you more easily. If privacy is more important to you, you may prefer to leave those options off or review them carefully before enabling them. As you make your choice, think about how you typically use PayPal. For example, if you often receive payments from people who already know your contact details, allowing search by name, phone, or email may be helpful. On the other hand, if you want to limit how easily your account appears in searches, this is the setting to pay close attention to. After updating the toggle, your search privacy preference will reflect the choice you made in the app. It's a good idea to revisit these settings from time to time, especially after app updates or changes to how you use your account. And that's all it takes to manage search privacy inside the PayPal app.